Hello, today we will guide you through how to contact Ryanair customer service. In this walkthrough, we'll start on the official website, move to the Help Center, and open the Contact Us area where you can reach support. For a smoother experience, have your booking reference, travel dates, and the email used for the booking ready. Avoid sharing sensitive payment details and keep any screenshots of error messages handy for clarity. Begin by going to the official Ryanair website at ryanair.com in your browser. Make sure you see the secure padlock icon and the correct address before continuing. If the site prompts for region or language, choose the one that matches where you're flying from or the language you prefer. The steps are the same on desktop and mobile, though the layout may be slightly different. Once the homepage loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're looking for the footer, a consistent section that appears on every page and contains useful links. This is the quickest way to find assistance without navigating through flight searches or promotions. If banners or pop-ups appear, close them so you can see the footer clearly. In the footer, select Help Center. This link leads to Ryanair's Support Hub, where they organize guidance by topic and provide ways to get in touch. If it opens in the same tab, that's fine. If it opens in a new one, just switch to that tab to continue. On the Help Center page, scroll down. Near the top, you may notice a search bar and popular articles that answer common questions about bookings, baggage, check-in, or refunds. Those articles can fix many issues quickly. Since we're focusing on direct contact options, continue scrolling until you locate the section that points you to the next step. Click Contact Us. This takes you to the dedicated area for reaching customer service. The page usually highlights ways to connect and may display suggested topics so your request is routed to the right team. Here you can contact support. You'll typically see options such as live chat, phone support, or web forms depending on your query and location. Choose the category that best matches your issue so you're directed correctly. Have your booking reference ready, keep your message concise and factual, and avoid sharing full card numbers or passwords. If using chat, keep the window open until you receive confirmation. If calling, note any opening hours and potential call charges. After you're done, save any case numbers or transcripts for future reference. That's it. You've reached the place where Ryanair provides help, starting from their homepage down to Contact Us.